Chart of accounts. You can create chart of accounts from Accountant module. Select Chart of accounts. Click New Account button. After that, you can enter your account details. First, you can select account type. In this drop-down menu, you can select Assets, Liabilities, Equity, Income and Expenses. You can enter the account name. If you have account codes, you can enter the account code. If you need any description, you can enter. After that, you can save. If you click this Add to the watch list on my dashboard, this account will display in dashboard. After you create the account, it will display in this active account list.